Did you know that we only use 10% of our brains? Or is that just a myth? Pause. What if I told you the brain has no limits to what it can achieve, but it's up to us to unlock its full potential? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into something that affects all of us: how to unlock the full potential of our human brain. If you're ready to boost your mental power, enhance your focus, and reach new heights of creativity and intelligence, stick around because we're uncovering science-backed strategies that can help you do just that. Please stay tuned till the end. I'll have a question for you. And to answer that question, you have to watch the video till the end. First, let's bust the myth right away. Contrary to popular belief, we actually use 100% of our brains. While it's true that not all areas are firing at once, different regions are responsible for specific functions like memory, emotions, creativity, and problem solving. So, how can we make the most of this incredible tool we all have? Step 1 to unlocking your brain's potential: nutrition. The brain thrives on the right nutrients. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, support brain function and can even help improve memory and focus. Hydration is equally important. Your brain is about 75% water, so keeping it hydrated is a simple way to boost mental clarity. Tip number 2, physical exercise. When you work out, you're not just training your body, you're exercising your brain too. Studies show that regular physical activity enhances cognitive function, improves mood, and promotes the growth of new brain cells, especially in the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for learning and memory. Tip number 3, train your brain. Your brain is like a muscle, and just like any muscle, the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Mental exercises like puzzles, chess, reading, or even learning a new language or musical instrument can help improve neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself. Neuroplasticity is key for maintaining cognitive health and keeping your brain sharp well into old age. Tip number 4, the power of sleep and meditation. And here's something many of us overlook: sleep. Did you know that during sleep, your brain actually cleanses itself of toxins and consolidates memories from the day? Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep is critical for boosting problem-solving skills and creativity. And let's not forget about mindfulness meditation. It reduces stress, increases focus, and can even grow the gray matter in your brain. By the way, I've already made an episode on importance of a healthy sleep. Go and watch that video by pressing the I button or the link in the description. Back to the current topic. Tip number 5, social interaction and continuous learning. Finally, don't underestimate the power of social interaction. Engaging in meaningful conversations and building strong social connections has been shown to keep our brains healthy. Combine that with a commitment to lifelong learning, whether it's a new hobby or skill, and you're setting yourself up for long-term brain health. Now, keep in mind, unlocking your brain's full potential isn't about magic tricks. It's about taking consistent, small steps every day to nourish, challenge, and rest your mind. Whether it's through the foods you eat, the people you connect with, or the mental exercises you practice, remember, your brain is the most powerful tool you have, and it's never too late to start using it to its full capacity. Now, here is a question for you to answer. Which part of the brain is responsible for learning and memory? Drop your answer in the comments. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beneficial episodes.